Hi there, I'm Natasha Antonioni, a realtor and intentional interior designer located here in Austin, Texas. And today we are going through our 5-part series on how to manifest your dream home. And today's about taking actionable steps. If you've missed the other episodes in this series, please make sure to go back and watch those and then jump on over and meet us here. Okay, let's begin. Number 4 is all about taking actionable steps towards achieving your goal. So there's a lot of woo-woo talk about just drawing these things to us. I believe that the universe likes a bit of action as well. And so you want to break down what your goal is, what you need to get there, and make it into bite-sized pieces that become attainable and realistic, and something that can be like breadcrumbs on your path, moving you towards that dream home. What do you need to get to the goal? Is it a down payment? Is it finding the right home in a low inventory market? Is it getting one more client on retainer so that you can have the income that you need to be able to afford the house in the price bracket that you would like to be in? Whatever it is for you, take the time to get clear about what you need to make your dream come true. For the ease of conversation, let's say that you need to save $100,000 for a down payment on a house. What is a timeline that pushes you a bit out of your comfort zone to be able to save that much money? Let's say you give yourself 18 months to save that much money. If you save $5,500 a month for 18 months, you will have $100,000. What actions do you need to take to increase your income to be able to save that kind of money? Now, I'm just using these as placeholders, so make it appropriate to your scenario. So start with the end goal in mind and work backwards from there. If you save $185 a day, at the end of the month, you would have saved $5,500. Doesn't that seem more digestible? Now, if you have a partner and there's 2 of you working towards this goal, it's $92 a day. $92 a day for each of you to have $100,000 saved in 18 months. You see how it becomes a lot more digestible to achieve our dreams when we break it down? Focusing on these elements helps you take actionable steps to achieve your goals. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'm so looking forward to seeing you next week for the 5th step, which is building your support team. Speaking of support, if you liked this content, hit that like button and subscribe below so that we can keep sharing more awesome content like this with you. We'll see you soon next week for the 5th and final step. Bye.